We are raising a fraction to a fractional power. What we're going to do here is take the top number raised to a power of 3/2, and the bottom number will raise it to a power of 3/2, and then we'll evaluate both of those separately. So first we'll begin. We're going to do 9 to the 3/2. On the bottom we have 49 raised to the 3/2. We're going to change both of these into radical format. So what that means is on the bottom, I have a 2, which means what I really have is square root of 9, and all that is going to be cubed because that's the top number there. We have a 2 on the bottom of this fraction, which means we have a square root of 49, and that is being cubed as well. So now we're just going to work with the inside the parentheses. We'll take those square roots first. So we have 3 cubed there. And then this is going to be 7 cubed down below here when we do square root of 49 becomes 7. Well, then you get a 27 on top, and then you have 343 on the bottom, and that's how you would evaluate something like that. Let's do another one. So we have another example of that same thing. We'll do this here. Again, first of all, you're starting with raising both of them to the power of 3/2. So 64 to the 3/2 and 25 to the 3/2. We're going to change the bottom number as a 2, which means that's the square root of 64. I'm going to raise that to a power of 3. In the bottom, that would be the square root of 25. And that's being cubed as well. Then you're going to work on the inside number there. Square root of 64 is 8. So we have 8 cubed. And then in the bottom, we have square root of 25 is 5. And we have 5 cubed. So now you just need to cube both top and bottom separately. So on the top, if you cube that, you're going to get 512. And if you cube the bottom number, you're going to get 125. Neither one of these two fractions we got reduce. And so that means these would be our final answers.